Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beeman Toyota in Nashville. I wanted to get with you guys on this because a lot of you guys have had this question and I am going to answer it for you. So, all right, first off, I'm going to talk to you about the hitches, all right? Now, this right here is a 2020 Highlander, all right, in the limited, all right? This is a 2021, but it's got the hitch on there, all right? And sorry about the noise, I'm right next to the road here, but hopefully you guys can understand me all right here. So you'll also see I got another XLE in the red over there with the hitch, another XLE with the hitch. So we were getting a lot of vehicles in with hitches, and people were like, I want a limited or a platinum and I want a hitch on it. And you couldn't get the hitch, and this was the reason, because you get close and you kick and you back up and you see that your door comes up. All right, if you put that hitch on there, then the door wouldn't work properly. You'd have to disable that feature that a lot of people like, that you can kick and open and close your door on the back of the Highlander. They didn't have a fix for it on the 2020 model to what would allow you to have the hitch and the kick. Now here's where your update comes. This is a 2021 Platinum, and you'll see it's got the hitch. All right, now what you'll notice is that kicking it in the same spot does absolutely nothing. All right, because they had to move it because of the hitch being there. So what you'll see now is you'll see a little icon that's right there, this little icon right here. That's, you know, a lot of people call it the Wi-Fi symbol, but it's the same type of thing. But now if you move over to the side, you kick over here, as long as the key is in your pocket, it will see that, and it's going to allow you to open and to close based off of kicking to the side. So they figured out how to fix it. So now you can get a hitch in your 2021 Platinum and Limited, as well as your LE, XLE, and all of the other ones, your XSEs. You can get your Limited and your Platinum, you can now get a hitch on based off of that feature right there. And I'll show you again. Kick it and just walk off. It's got a proximity sensor, so that proximity sensor won't allow it to open as long as you're standing behind it. And then you can come back and you can kick it again. You still have your regular ways where you can close it right there. You can close it from the top. You can close it from your key fob, you know, which I've got both the key fobs right here. They look identical, right? So you don't know which one's which. But so if you guys are looking for a way to have a hitch and you want to get the Platinum or the Limited and have a hitch, I now have your answer for you. So hopefully that's been informative for you guys. Definitely like and subscribe. I want to do a quick video to give you guys your answer on how that is working now on your new 2021 Toyota Highlander Limited and Platinum with the hitch. Steve Welch, Beeman Toyota. Definitely like, subscribe. Appreciate every one of you guys, and definitely let me know. Beautiful, beautiful days here in Nashville. We're coming into winter, but definitely we'll see what happens. With Steve Welch, Beeman Toyota, let me know if you got any questions or if you want to see any more, or if you have any suggestions for other videos. I definitely appreciate all of those. Steve Welch, Beeman Toyota. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.